Today, let's talk about what happens if you have a map gateway that where you log into it and it immediately just starts flashing the fault light. Um, so that's a known issue, and that just means it's lost its time sync. So here's how you fix it. I'm gonna show you a picture of what I got going on. I don't have the proper video equipment here.
Okay, so we got the controller hooked into the first port of the JCI. I'm talking to the JCI. Then we got the map gateway plugged into the FC bus of the controller. And we're going to be able to discover the map gateway through the FC bus of the controller, just like pulling up another controller.
And then on my J settings, this is important too. I just found out you do have to have the MSTP port talking 38.4. So if you're talking anything other than 38.4, you'll need to do this at 38.4, maybe on a different JCI or a different COM port or something like that. So I got that talking 38.4. Now all I got to do is go to my BACnet network and do a discovery. Now when I do this discovery, go ahead and hit send global. And we should see the map gateway pop up here. There it is. Here's my map gateway. So all I gotta do is bring this map gateway in and hit the time sync and send the current time to it. And you just do local time. Local networks, we'll do all, it's fine. And then boom. Now you'll cycle power on the map gateway just by unplugging it from the FC bus and then plugging it back in, and then you should be able to get into the map gateway fine. Now after you complete this task, go ahead and upgrade the firmware in your map gateway to the latest and greatest. I believe the latest and greatest right now is 5.0.2. something, and you shouldn't have this problem anymore. Thanks for watching.